Hit the red button.
You did.
Man, it's hard not to knock those cones over and turn instantly.
Yep. Sometimes I think I should have got that. Oh, nice. Sometimes I think I should have got that pickup.
That aqua one?
Yep. Because your pickup is badass.
It's that scale look, you know. It's just,
Yeah.
some people pay like some cars don't perform this good, but they'll pay like sometimes like there's it's called the Kyosho Mini, and just because of how scale, like the handles, they're not just painted on, they're actual handles.
Yeah.
Everything is detailed. It has every little thing like a real vehicle would. So it's like $199 for that, and it won't perform for shit. It's just for the look. It's still called a crawler, but you can't like perform like.
But they're buying it for not that reason.
Yeah, some of them. Yeah, it's for the look, you know. Alright, so come over here on the side. We're gonna go down this little rock here. Still trying to find good cone placement for this course. These little axial Scx24s perform pretty good on here compared to the Enduro Trail Runner that I've had on here. Get low. If you look in there, you can see that there's texture inside the tunnel as well to make more of a obstacle to get through there. Yeah, I wet it down a little bit, but try not to get out of low. Damn it. That ain't gonna work.
Maybe you should try your gear.
I am. There we go. Here you have the option to go over the grass hill or the rocky side path.
That way and for that way?
Oh! And the mud pit, which dried up already. Let's see here. Here's the hard part of the course.
Mm-hmm.
I think I just...
Want me to go over there?
Yeah, go ahead and get a little closer on that side. That was in low, so pick it up to high, baby. Come on, man. Yeah.
Damn, I don't know how you do it.
You just gotta just keep bouncing and turning those wheels,
Mine
dude, and
is-
eventually you'll catch.
Yeah, mine
We
is-
got it. Oh. Now it's a matter of getting out of here.
Going back that way.
Yep.
Let's see if you could figure it out. Do you want me to keep going on your car?
Go, go, go. Oh. I think I kind of rode the wall a little bit too, though, you know? Alright. Watch out, Kyle.
But so.
See if I can go sideways on this hill without falling. It's kind of, everything's rounded off. Maybe I should like go through here with some sandpaper and flatten some edges, you know? This is handling it pretty good. Oh! Alright, you can hit stop.